Gainesville homeowners know that when summer approaches, so does storm season. With the potential for strong winds, heavy rain, and even hurricane conditions, preparing your home becomes a top priority. While many focus on roofs, gutters, and emergency kits, one area often overlooked is the windows. Old, worn-out windows can leave your home vulnerable to damage during severe weather. By replacing them before storm season, you not only improve safety but also gain year-round benefits. Here's why it's a smart move for Gainesville residents. Enhanced protection against storm damage. Older windows often have weaker glass, aging seals, and frames that can't stand up to the pressure of strong winds. In a storm, these weak points make your home more susceptible to broken glass, leaks, and structural damage. New windows, especially impact-resistant models, are designed to withstand the demands of Florida's storm season. Features like laminated glass and reinforced frames protect your home from flying debris, high winds, and water infiltration. Replacing old windows ensures your home has a stronger first line of defense when storms roll through Gainesville. Improved energy efficiency. Gainesville's hot, humid summers can push your air conditioner to the limit. Drafty old windows let cool air escape and warm air seep in, driving up your utility bills. Modern replacement windows are built with double or triple pane glass for superior insulation. Low E coatings that reflect heat while allowing natural light. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes for added efficiency. By upgrading before storm season, you not only fortify your home but also reduce your cooling costs during Gainesville's hottest months. Better moisture control. Heavy rainfall is common during storm season, and leaky old windows can let water seep inside. Over time, this can lead to mold growth, warped frames, and damage to walls and flooring. New replacement windows feature advanced seals and weather stripping that prevent leaks. This means better moisture control, a healthier home, and less worry about costly water damage when storms bring torrential rain. Increased safety and security. Beyond storm protection, new windows also improve year-round safety. Laminated or impact-resistant glass is difficult to break, making it harder for intruders to gain access to your home. Modern locking mechanisms add another layer of protection. For Gainesville families, this means peace of mind knowing that new windows are working to keep both storm threats and security risks at bay. Noise reduction. For everyday comfort. If you live near busy streets or active neighborhoods in Gainesville, you know how disruptive outside noise can be. Replacement windows with insulated glass and laminated panes reduce noise infiltration, creating a calmer indoor environment. This added comfort is a bonus that makes window replacement a valuable investment long after storm season ends. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Upgrading your windows doesn't just protect your home, it also improves its appearance and resale value. New windows add modern style, enhance curb appeal, and are a strong selling point for potential buyers. In Gainesville's competitive housing market, buyers look for features like energy efficiency and storm readiness. Investing in replacement windows before storm season can make your home stand out. Final thoughts for Gainesville homeowners. Storm season is inevitable, but storm damage doesn't have to be. By replacing your old windows before storm season, you strengthen your home's defenses, improve energy efficiency, and increase overall comfort and value. Don't wait until the first major storm is on the horizon. With new, professionally installed windows, you can face Gainesville's storm season with confidence, knowing your home is better protected for whatever the weather brings.